Can you take photos of tenants' units when doing walkthrough inspections? And this was a particularly interesting question because tenants have a couple rights. So the tenants have the right to privacy in their home, and the tenants also have a right to the quiet enjoyment of their home. And so I can't answer this question very specifically. I can only answer generalities, and that is because every situation is going to be a little bit different. But for example, if the tenant reports a problem with the water heater and the landlord goes into the tenant's unit after either giving 24 hours notice or has been invited, then the landlord takes a picture of the water heater so that they can send it to the plumber. Well, that's not going to be a problem at all. Let's just say, though, that you are walking through the apartment and then you see something illegal. Can you take a picture of that? And in this situation, I had to go look at the different cases that have been upheld, and the courts have basically said that it depends. And I hate it when they do that, but they do often say that. And so, if you're breaching the tenant's right to privacy, then there has to be a good reason. And not just their right to privacy, but also their right to quiet enjoyment. And so and this is going to dig into the next question slightly, but if you believe that there's some kind of illegal activity or violation going and you are already permitted to be in the unit because of some other thing, and you take a picture, then that will probably, and I'm going to say probably, and that's kind of an important word, not be found to infringing your tenant's rights. But I would not be going into tenants' units and taking pictures and breaching their privacy or waking them up, knocking on the door, going in and going into the units without permission or without either emergency or 24-hour notice, and taking pictures, because you likely will find yourself in trouble, even if you find something illegal. So make sure you enter the unit lawfully, and then make sure that your purpose is just.